This is Tress with Everlasting Accuracy, going to do a quick initial review of the Arken EP4 Riflescope and the Halo Riflescope rings. The Halo Riflescope rings come neatly packaged in clear packaging with an extra screw if you were to need it. They are made from 70-75 billet aluminum. They are paired and matched. They weigh 2.4 ounces each, which makes them weigh together just under 5 ounces. They're very neat looking rings. The finish on them feels great and looks great. I look forward to using them with this Arken EP4 Riflescope. The rings cost $60 for a pair. Next we have the Arken EP4 Riflescope in a 6-24. I've just received this model. I hadn't had a chance to use it yet, but we'll look at our first impressions and I'll try and do another review telling what my impressions are after I've had it mounted on a gun and used it. It comes very neatly packaged. I don't think there will be any trouble from shipping. It's a heavyweight box and has a lot of packing material. So bear with me while I unpack it and we'll look at some of the features of it. Along with the scope, it comes with a sunshade, the bikini covers, the needed wrenches to adjust the turrets, and a lens cloth. Again, it's a pretty heavy box. I don't think it'll get torn up in shipping. It's the 6-24 model. It has a 50mm objective lens. It has a 34mm tube. It seems to be a very nice scope. The finish on it feels very good. Feeling of the Parallax. It's very firm but easy to turn, and as is the magnification. They both feel like you would have on a very high-end quality scope. It comes with ED glass, which I'm really looking forward to. It's first focal plane. Both the rings and the scope have lifetime warranty. It's advertised as having 28 mils of elevation. When I checked this scope, it's shown to have right around 26. You have 10 mils of windage. Now the turret is 10 mils a revolution and it has graduation for revolutions. Also, you can see it's marked above the standard mil markings with the full revolution pass to where you have the markings for 11 through 19. As you can hear and see, it has very firm and audible clicks, and they're also spread out enough that you aren't having to look real close and confuse what tenth of a mil you're looking at. I've stated before, it's a 6-24 and it just moves just what I'd say is ideal. It's firm, but it's not going to slide around if you handle it. The diopter is real nice and it's pretty firm. I had it screwed in too far, but it's real firm as well, which to me is a good thing because ideally you want to set it for your eye, and once you get it set for your eye, you don't want it moving. It seems like a very nice scope. I'm really looking forward to getting it on a gun and trying it out. I have a gun picked for it. It'll see if it can take the abuse of a 338 Lapua. I have it here right behind me. We're going to try and get it on it here soon. It has a 0 stop. I forgot to mention. And with it, you loosen your set screw and tighten your 0 stop, and you're all set. If you need to make any adjustments, you don't have to pull your turret and accidentally re-zero your scope to do it. I like that feature. The only things that I really see that you're sacrificing is on the very upper end scopes that have ED glass, where you're talking about 1,000, probably over 1,500. Usually you get a little more magnification and you usually get illumination. But for a $600 scope, this seems like an incredible value to me. I'll take it and I'll mount it on this gun and we'll see what we learn, and I'll try and do another review. If you have any questions, please ask, comment. I try to check comments and answer any questions there are, and keep an eye out for another review, and we'll try and have another one. I'll try and add a link to the website for you to check out the scope on Arken's website. Thank you for watching.